Welcome to the Boomer B&B video tutorial series. We have designed this series to demonstrate the following benefits of our hospitality-focused short-term stay software suite. The video tutorial series is designed as an audio-visual learning tool for residents, family members, community guests, and staff members to easily understand the short-term stay, wellness and respite stay, and inter-community travel booking process. This video series is a detailed visual training tool for your company's entire team to understand both the front and back-end functionality and capability of your Boomer B&B software. The entire video training series can be easily accessed by authorized members of your team via your company's personalized dashboard. As former community operators, we designed this series specifically around the needs of your senior living and healthcare short-term stay programs, and have made the systems and processes intuitive and easy to use. Please enjoy the series and feel free to contact us at any time with any questions about Boomer B&B's hospitality software product, or for support of any kind with your short-term stay software.